Important aspect of the earth. It is because of the sea that we get rain. The water from the sea evaporates and the clouds move over the land, then rain falls on land. Without rain there will be no water and all living things will perish. The sea is also the main source for our food. The millions of fish in the sea provide a source of living for a lot of people. Fishermen live in communities throughout the world and catch the fish in a variety of ways. The fish are made available to people who live inland. There is an entire industry which operates because of generous catches from the sea. Seafood is one of the chief sources of proteins and is also one of the cheapest. It is saddening that in spite of the sea giving us so much, we treat it as a rubbish dump. Throughout the world, all rubbish is dumped directly into the sea or into the rivers, which eventually carry the rubbish to the sea also. Some of the rubbish are natural substances with which the sea can cope, and some of these actually serve as food for the sea creatures. What the sea cannot cope with and what causes real harm is toxic waste. These are chemicals from factories which are mindlessly thrown into the sea. Millions of sea creatures are wiped out as a result. If this wanton destruction were to continue, the time is not far when the sea will stop being the major food source it now is. It is puzzling to see that man is, quite unthinkingly, destroying the source of his food. Without the sea to provide us with food, the whole food cycle will be disrupted, eventually endangering even life on Earth. Some laws need to be passed at international levels to keep man from wiping out the sea and thus himself as a result.